Hi, Sam here with Refrigerator Trim Kits. And today the question is, what is a refrigerator trim kit? And maybe more specifically, what pieces come with a refrigerator trim kit? How's it installed? That kind of stuff. So just generally speaking, I wanted to try to address that question. A trim kit that we produce typically consists of a top piece, two side pieces, and all the hardware necessary to install it. So you can see here we've got a standard counter depth refrigerator, Kitchenaid, that at one time was pulled out. The trim kit was installed using some screws into the wood cabinet, and then the refrigerator was pushed back in. Gaps were kind of evened up, and then the legs on the bottom of the refrigerator were leveled, and so kind of to give you this uniform, nice built-in look when it's all said and done. So what's a refrigerator trim kit? From our standpoint, it's top trim, two side pieces, hardware to install, and a nice built-in look when it's all said and done. Thanks. If you have any questions at all, support@refrigeratortrimkits.com. Thanks.